Alright guys, today we're going to Putut River. Sa Seiko River naman tayo noon, pero ngayon Putut River. Magiging adventure na naman to. So, tara, let's go. So, here we go! At dahil weekend na naman, napagplanuhan namin pumunta sa ibang tourist spot ng Calayan Island na matagal ko nang hindi napapasyalan. Way back 2020. At para na rin makapunta ang mga kasamahan kong first time pumasyal sa lugar na yon.
A few moments later.
Sobrang pagod at nagulat sila dahil they didn't expect na ganun kataas ang lalakarin nila. At least, maayos na yung daan kesa yung pinagdaanan namin noon. So we're here guys! Ano ito mo? Alwakan na lang siya. So pagkarating namin doon ay lunch na, kaya kumain na kami ng aming mga baon. And of course, kulang ang picnic pag walang beers. Oops, yung mga minors dyan, bawal gayahin to pag nagpipiknik kayo. So, picnic and happy-happy lang. Walang inuman ng alak. For adults only. Thank you guys for watching, and that's it. And let's go. Bye. And wait guys, there's more. Another reminder. Before po tayo aalis,
always bring your
garbage. Practice clay go. Clean as you go. So, yun lang guys, and sana may natutunan kayo. Peace out.